case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2007 case, United States v. Miller, which played out in the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit, a central issue hinged on how a court should define a violent crime. The court used a two-step approach to determine if a prior conviction meets the threshold of a violent felony. Namely, it asked firstly whether the conviction paralleled the definition of generic burglary, and then proceeded with the Taylor framework when broader definitions of burglary were put into play by the underlying statute. The challenge originated from the case of Miller, a convicted felon who was facing a 180-month sentence for possessing a handgun. His contention rested on the argument that his third-degree burglary conviction did not constitute a violent crime as enshrined in the law. The court, therefore, was tasked with unraveling the specifics of Miller's previous burglary conviction and its bearing under the Armed Career Criminal Act, ACCA. Does a previous conviction for third-degree burglary in Connecticut that includes non-traditional structures like vehicles, watercraft, and railroad cars equate to the ACCA's more restricted definition of a building? It's a legal conundrum that required the court to juxtapose Connecticut's specific legal interpretation of burglary against the ACCA's generic definition. Ultimately, the court ruled against Miller, dismissing his claims of improper reliance on a state court transcript and his assertion about insufficient evidence for his burglary conviction. It held that his third-degree burglary conviction didn't amount to a violent crime, as per the ACCA's generic definition. Consequently, Miller's 180-month sentence for being a felon in possession of a handgun was upheld and reaffirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.